is up, everybody? And today we're gonna make some slime. So with my cousin Jazmin, and
we're not basically making slime. We're just showing you some slimes that we made because we didn't record making slime.
yeah. So first, let's do this.
Okay. So first, I want to show. This is our activator that we use, Tide Clear. So, free, gentle.
Let me read it for you.
It's just Tide, and we use this for activator.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good for making slime and all that stuff. And
we have four slimes that we want to show. So pick one that you want to show.
So I think I go for this one.
Okay. First, we want to show this slime. Take it off over here. So this, we use not clear school glue, white school glue, and I kind of mixed it in with another white school glue, so it's just basically purple pinkish. It's good slime.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, but this slime is kind of like when you do like musically, you can. Some people do like this, 3 fingers in each row in the slime. Yeah.
So this is.
Oh, you did. You just whooped. Do you have any more glue so we can make it together or something? Yeah.
I only have a little bit of glue left. So this is the white glue.
Okay.
So next up we have.
If you wanna buy other stuff, it's supposed to be somewhere nearby to your house. For example, Walmart or Target.
I want to show this one. This one I got today. So my friend gave me the slime today, and it was a whole bunch of different colors. So she gave me 3 bags of colors, and they were all slimes. So I just decided to just mix them all in together. Very suck at making bubbles. But
and this slime looks.
I can make a bubble, as you can see. It's not that sticky, it's just a little sticky.
It's like tiny bit of stickiness.
So the 3 bags that it came in were a light blue one, and her brother decided to color one of the things, but it was supposed to be pink, and the other one was supposed to be this color. So we had a light blue one, a pink one, and this color. So I decided just to mix it all in, and the results came as this color. So yeah.
So this blue color looks like the lid of this soap thing.
Actually, this soap is kind of. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's just darker.
It would probably be the color of somebody else's shirt. If you guys have the same color of your shirt and it matches the slime, let me know in the comment section.
Also, this I wanted to name it Grape because it's purple pinkish. So, which one should I name this slime? Because I don't know. But yeah, this is this slime. It's very glossy. Oh no.
That's a fair. We're putting a slime into this thing, right?
Also, I can't make a little swirl thing. Which one do you want?
I'll go for the last one. Over.
This one. Over here.
Okay. This color looks like water blue.
Kind of.
It looks like water, like a
It's like
Minecraft.
turquoise. Yeah. This, I kind of put too much activator, but it's still slime. It's still, it's not sticky anymore.
Might be sometimes.
Yeah. But
It-
I made,
it
oh
just-
yeah. I don't know what glue she used in this. This is clear glue. I don't know what to name it either. This one.
What about if you could name it a beach water? The water that looks like light blue, like sand
We'll
blue?
just see what people want in the comment section. Because I don't really know what to name
You don't know the name of it?
I don't know what.
Let me know. Let us know in the comment section what you guys want to name this slime.
This is kind of like my second. This one is my first. It's actually really good slime. Oh, did I close this? Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So this, I really like this slime because it's a clear slime. And I really like the clear glue because it helps. Like, it's okay.
This is a little bit sticky.
Yeah, it's a little bit sticky because I like my slime sticky.
If you the more ingredients you put in, the more sticky it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like regular slime.
Let's see if I can make a bubble.
Yeah, let's do this. I tried that for the first time, remember?
Mm-hmm.
When we're not recording a video, sometimes the slime just go right in the middle of my pants.
There's my bubble.
Let me pop it.
I love this slime. Oh,
yeah, this is one of my favorite ones.
But it's pinkish. I use markers to color my slime, but this one I didn't color because I got it from my friend today from school.
The one I recommend is the one that you used to put drops and stuff instead of a color, right?
Oh yeah,
This is what I recommend all the time.
food coloring.
Yeah.
But I can still not make a bubble.
And zip. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Dang it, I tried bringing it.
It gets really sticky on the table, but less sticky on the fingers.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Oh, it popped.
her bubba died. It looks like a bubble gum.
I'm trying, okay? I'm trying.
Yeah.
There's my bubble.
Pop it.
So these are the slimes, basically. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Let me know what you
I'm
guys
covering
think.
his face.
Hey guys, let me know what you guys think is one of your favorites in the comment section. And yeah, that's about it.
Okay.
So if we can hit 80 subscribers by the end of
80 subscribers.
No, remember my technology channel?
Yeah.
80 subscribers are like pretty like, in my gaming channel I just put 80 subscribers by the end of February.
My aunt called.
Sorry, my aunt just called me and
Me.
yeah, and
We're using my sweatshirt.
but you know, I was recording on my phone and I don't have any other cameras to hook it up with. That's a big slime. It's one of my Rusty, is that your favorite slime?
Yes.
Is it your first one or the second favorite?
First. My second is this one.
It's in a small bag.
Mm-hmm. Oh, God. But this is my favorite slime.
So,
So comment in the section, what should I call this slime? And this one.
So if you guys wanna show me your own slime, just take a picture in one of my social medias like not Facebook, but Twitter. You can show me your own slime on Twitter if you have a Twitter account.
Musically.
Or Musically too, or
Just tag him and
maybe Snapchat.
yeah.
If you guys want to add me in Snapchat.
I made a butt cheek.
Like a bubble man, son.
Yeah. Yeah.
I do for
I
you.
don't know how to. There we go.
They can't really see my face.
There we
Okay,
go.
much better. Boom, like a big. It looks like a big,
I like trying to.
like a blue version of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
But yeah,
Ooh,
this is a slime. Just comment which slime is your best. I mean, is the best, or what slime. I don't know what I'm saying. But just say which one you like. What names. And buy Thai.
I really recommend this
I
all
recommend
day.
it too. It's really good activator for clear slime.
Remember, if we can hit 2
Also-
likes, we will make a video on how to make slime.
Also, when I use white, when I make white slime with white school glue, I recommend putting a little bit of clear glue in with the white, so it would basically blend in more and help make it a better slime. And
To make the best.
really, I think it's better to add a little bit of white, clear into the white. But if you're making clear slime, just don't add any white slime. No.
Looks like a piece of bug.
I suck at making.
Yo, it's like a big rain symbol.
But this is all for today's video, and hope you have a good day. Anything you want to say? That round.
So, if we can hit 1 likes in this video, maybe we are going to make a video. If we're gonna make a, if we can hit 1 likes in this video, me and Jazmin will make a video on how to make slime. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, right?
But you have to buy the slime. What?
You have to buy the ingredients.
You have to buy the slime stuff, because last time I bought the slime stuff.
So yeah. So do you wanna end the video?
Sure.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video, comment and subscribe, and I'll give you a shout out. So yeah, peace out.
Bye.
Bye, dude.